Did you know that links created with Vivaldi are indexed and visible on search engines? In this guide, we will explore how Vivaldi's default short domains and custom domains appear in search results. For URL link types, the original web page's title and meta description are directly indexed by search engines. However, for all other link types, the title you set serves as the meta title, while your summary acts as the meta description. These elements are critical for SEO, so ensure they include high-impact keywords to improve your visibility in search results. Now let's take a look at how the link titles and summary information you've set appear in actual search engine results. As you can see, Google displays your link title as the meta title and your summary as the meta description. Now let's see how this same information appears on Microsoft Bing. For this demonstration, I will now create a new post link. I'll input a link title and summary, ensuring they include high-impact keywords for better search engine visibility. For optimal search engine visibility, we recommend keeping link titles under 60 characters and summaries within 160. It is crucial to maintain these lengths to prevent your content from being truncated in search results. By using Vivaldi's built-in character counter, you can easily track your length in real time to ensure your message fits perfectly. Your post link has been successfully created. Now let's visit the generated link to see exactly how the page appears to your audience. The title you just created for your post link will serve directly as the search engine's meta title. Please note that it may take approximately 2 weeks for your generated link to appear in search engine results. As a reminder, the search engine indexing feature is not supported in the free plan. If you use Vivaldi's default domains, your links will be automatically indexed by search engines without any additional setup. However, when using a custom domain to shorten your links, you must manually register that domain with each search engine. You will also need to complete a site ownership verification process to prove that you own the domain. Let's walk through the domain registration and ownership verification process step by step. Before we dive into the details, let's look at the most common mistake users make during domain registration. When you first add a domain to Vivaldi, its status is initially set to pending. To activate your domain and begin using it, you must update your domain's name server settings. Simply log into your domain registrar's website and replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Vivaldi. Once your domain status shows as active, you can begin creating shortened links using your custom domain. Custom domain features are widely used by enterprises and public institutions that prioritize brand identity and trust. Vivaldi fully supports registration with both Google and Bing search engines. Let's explore how to register your custom domain with Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools. We will also walk through the step-by-step process of verifying your domain ownership. Domain ownership verification is supported via TXT record and HTML tag methods. First, we will demonstrate how to verify ownership in Google Search Console using a TXT record value. First, log into Google Search Console. Click the Add Property button and enter the domain you registered with Vivaldi. Type your exact domain address into the input field and click Continue to proceed to the next step. Since the domain used in this demonstration has been verified previously, it was authenticated immediately without any additional steps. There is one final essential step to complete in Google Search Console. You must register your sitemap. Your sitemap address is created by adding /sitemap.xml to the end of your domain. Don't be alarmed if you see a file not found message immediately after setup. Once you create links in Vivaldi, excluding URL and QR code types, the system will automatically generate your sitemap file within 24 hours. Before submitting, visit your /sitemap.xml URL directly to verify that the list of links appears correctly on your screen. Once the list is visible, copy the sitemap URL and submit it under the Sitemaps menu in Google Search Console. Next, let's walk through registering your custom domain with Microsoft Bing. Start by searching for Webmaster Tools on Bing and navigating to the official page. Click the Add a Site button located in the top domain menu. Enter your exact domain address in the input field and click Add to proceed to the next step. Under the verification options, select the HTML meta tag method. Copy the entire meta tag displayed on the screen to your clipboard. Now navigate to the domain management page in your Vivaldi dashboard, paste the copied tag, and click the Verify button. Finally, return to the Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tools screen and click the Verify button. As you can see, the ownership verification has been successfully completed. From now on, all links created in Vivaldi will be correctly indexed and displayed in Bing search results. Please keep in mind that it may take approximately 2 weeks for Bing search crawlers to index your pages and reflect them in actual search results. If your links do not appear immediately after setup, please allow some time for the system to process the update. Just like Google Search Console, Microsoft Bing also requires you to submit your sitemap URL. As previously mentioned, sitemaps are generated only when you create link types other than URL links or QR codes in Vivaldi. The system automatically generates the sitemap file about 24 hours after link creation, so there is no need for manual configuration. Before submitting, ensure you visit the /sitemap.xml address directly to verify that the URL list is displaying correctly. Once you confirm the list is active, proceed to submit the sitemap URL within Bing Webmaster Tools. Now that the setup is complete, let's create a new link using your newly registered custom domain. As you can see, the link has been successfully created using your custom domain instead of Vivaldi's default domain. Since this is a post link type, the address will be automatically added to your sitemap file within approximately 24 hours. Once you verify that the URL appears in your sitemap list, simply submit that sitemap address to your Google and Bing Webmaster Tools. You only need to submit your sitemap once. Even as you continue to create new links, there is no need to resubmit the sitemap manually. The Vivaldi system automatically updates the sitemap file with your latest link information. Your links are now fully optimized and ready to connect with users across global search engines.